Bonjour, everyone. Welcome back to Beyond Bonjour, your ultimate home for mastering French without the typical headache. Today, we are tackling a major milestone that trips up almost every single language learner, the Passé Composé. Don't worry, we're breaking it down completely. Here is our master game plan for today. We'll start with what the tense actually means, master the avoir conjugation, learn how to build past participles, put it all together, look at a cheeky little plot twist, and finish with a rapid fire pop quiz to test your skills. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is the Passé Composé? In simple words, it's an action that happened, finished, and is completely over in the past. Think I ate, she ran, or they slept. In French, this is a compound tense. This means it is a team effort requiring a three-part formula: your subject, a helping word, and the main action. Now, here is the good news: 90% of the time, that helping verb is just going to be avoir in the present tense. Let's look at how to conjugate it. Before we build full sentences, we need to make sure our engine, our helping verb, is ready to run. Take a look at this timeline. There are six present forms of avoir that you need to lock in. J'ai for I have, tu as for you have, il or elle a for he or she has, nous avons for we have or vous avez for you all have, and ils or elles ont for they have. Say them out loud with me. Once you have these down, you are officially halfway to forming any past tense sentence. Now, let's look at the second half of our formula, the past participle. This is your main action verb but adapted for the past. For regular French verbs, we have a beautiful clean formula depending on how the verb ends. First, if the verb ends in er like parler, chop off the er and add a e accent to make parler. Second, if it ends in IR like finir, change it to I to get fini. And third, if it's an RE ending verb like vendre, swap it out for a U to get vendu. It is as simple as EIU. Let's lock these in. Let's see how easy it is to assemble our puzzle pieces. If you want to say I spoke, grab your subject J, add your helping word AIA, and append parler. That gives you J parler. Want to say you finished? Take tu, add a, then fini, and you get tu a fini. Now, looking at our third row, if you want to say we sold, we combine our subject nous, our conjugate helping verb avons, and our past participle vendu to say nous avons vendu. Look at that. You are building complete, grammatically correct past tense sentences in French. Alright, time for a little plot twist. In French, there's a rebel alliance of exactly 17 verbs of movement and staying that refuse to use avoir. Instead, they use être. And when you use être, there's a golden rule. Your past participle has to agree with the subject in gender and number. If a girl is saying I went, she has to add an extra e to make it je suis allé. If it's a group of people, you must add an s to make it nous sommes allés. It's like matching the colors of your outfit. So, how do we memorize these 17 rebel movement verbs? Meet our favorite mnemonic device, Dr. and Mrs. VANDERTRAMP. Every letter stands for a movement. We have D, avenir, for to become, R, revenir, for to come back, M. Montre for to go up. R. Rester for to stay. S. Sortir for to go out. Venir for to come in. And alle for to go. All of these verbs are describing physical transformations or journeys. Whenever you use one of these verbs, remember to swap out avoir for your present conjugations of être. Alright, time to test what you've learned. Let's play a quick game. Question 1. I ate an apple. Is it A or B? The correct answer is A. Now, for the movement, question 2. We finished the game. Yes, it's answer B. Now for the movement verbs. Question 3. Leo says I went to Paris. The correct answer is part B. Je suis allé. And the final trick question. Sarah and Emma say we went to Paris. It is indeed part B. Nous sommes allés because we have two girls. We add that extra es. How did you do? Let me know your score in the comments below. Hit subscribe and I will see you next time on Beyond Bonjour. Salut.